Hello, Vanagon addicts. I'm back. I just wanted to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So with this bolt here, internal, it's like an Allen head bolt. It's just completely stripped out, like it's round. Sometimes you can get by using some of these, Torx head things and kind of pound them in. I tried that. It will strip that out also. So then we did what I told you about putting the WD-40 on it. Okay. And let it, sometimes if you just let it sit for 24 hours, that'll do it. Then I heat it up with this torch here. You want to have an extinguisher ready because, when you heat this up, it can catch things on fire. Especially the WD-40 can catch on fire. So I'll sit there, heat it up. I usually do it right around the base here where the bolt goes in. And that helps it release. Then once you get it heated up for about 30 seconds, I usually try these grips on it. You get them on here really good and tight, and then you give it a couple whacks with like a dead blow hammer, pum pum pum, and look what happens. It broke free very easily, and it came loose, just hand tight. Like I said, a lot of times, once they release, right? I mean, this was frozen so bad that this hardware was not, doing anything whatsoever. Went from that to me giving it 2 hits with this dead blow. It moved, and then it came right off. And I also got this thermostat housing off the exact same way. This upper bolt was frozen. Had been like that for years. WD-40, heated it up for 30 seconds. Try it. If it doesn't work, try another 30 seconds. Like I said, the nice part is these steel pieces are going into aluminum, which expands, quite a bit with heat. So I've had a lot of good success doing it that way, rather than trying to get it loose without heating it up. You snap it off, and then you have to fight it. I mean, look at this thing. It even looks good, except for the part where you tighten it. The rest of it looks great, but it was seized, from differential metal corrosion. So I just thought you'd want to see my method on that little bit more detail. I will do another video when I get it stripped and get ready to clean it.